In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar private. By the end, your calendar will no longer be visible to the public. Any previously shared access can be removed, and new events will default to private. Let's walk through it clearly and carefully so you feel confident about each setting. Start by opening a browser and heading to calendar.google.com, then sign in to your account. On the left, you'll see the list of calendars under My Calendars. If you manage more than one, hover over the specific calendar you want to lock down. Click the three-dot options button that appears and choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you straight to the detailed controls for that calendar. Scroll to the section called Access Permissions for Events. If you see Make Available to Public checked, uncheck it. This is the key setting that prevents your calendar from being visible to anyone on the web, including through search engines or a shared link. Turning it off ensures only people you explicitly share with can see it. If it's already off, great. You're one step closer to complete privacy. Next, look for Share with Specific People. This part is optional, but it's important if you've granted access to others in the past. You'll see a list of email addresses that currently have permission. For anyone you no longer want to have access, click Remove next to their name. This immediately revokes their ability to view or edit your calendar, depending on what you'd given them. Don't worry, removing someone here doesn't delete any events. It simply stops them from seeing your calendar going forward. Finally, set the default privacy for future events. Scroll to Event Settings, find Default Visibility, and choose Private. This ensures that every new event you create on this calendar will start as private, so you don't have to remember to change visibility each time. Keep in mind, this affects new events only. Existing events keep whatever visibility they already had unless you edit them individually. That's it. You've disabled public access, removed any specific viewers you no longer want, and made sure new events are private by default. If you manage multiple calendars, repeat these steps for each one to keep everything consistent. And if any options appear limited in a work or school account, your organization's admin may control those settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped you lock down your schedule, you're all set to keep your calendar information private and under your control.